How to post longer Instagram reels. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post longer Instagram reels. Previously, the limit for Instagram reels was 90 seconds, but now you can post longer Instagram reels up to 3 minutes or 180 seconds. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here tap on the plus button at the central button below. Once you tap on it, here in this space at the bottom, select the reel option. Swipe it to the left side to select the reel option. Once you have selected it from the list, now you can select the reel that you'd like to upload, or you may also tap on the camera icon at the top left and then shoot a video. If you are still limited to 90 seconds when editing the reels, then you will need to ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram application. For that, you will need to go and open the Play Store of your device and here tap on the search icon at the bottom right. By doing so, in the space here, now tap on the search bar at the top and there search for Instagram. Tap on the magnifying glass icon of your keyboard to search for it. Now once you find this Instagram icon, simply tap on it to open it and inside it look for the update button. Simply tap on the update button and then wait until the app gets up to date. And after updating the application, simply tap on the open button right here and then you'll be able to update your application. Now once after updating the application, you can go to the Instagram and open the Reels section below. There now you'll be able to upload video up to 3 minutes. If updating doesn't work, then you may need to wait for Instagram to address the issue and roll out the 3-minute limit to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to post longer Instagram reels. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.